ألقت الأم ابنها الصغير فوق عارضة السقف. ظن الصبي أنها تلعب معه لعبة الغميضة، لكن في اللحظة التالية تسلل الأب وعشيقته بهدوء إلى الغرفة، وطعن الأم النائمة بالسيف الطويل الذي كان في أيديهما. وكان الصبي فوق عارضة السقف يشاهد والدته وهي تسقط في بركة من الدماء. غط فمه بكل قوته ولم يجرؤ على إصدار أي صوت. في تلك اللحظة بالذات أقسم أن ينتقم لوالدته مهما كلف الأمر. بعد 20 عاما، ولكي يجعل أعداءه يخففون حذرهم، كان يتنكر نهارا في هيئة نبيل مستهتر عديم الفائدة، ويقضي أيامه في بيوت اللهو والدعارة. لكن عندما يحل الليل كان يتدرب سررا على السحر، منتظرا أفضل فرصة للانتقام لوالدته، إلى أن أوشكت مسابقة الأميرة لاختيار زوجها عبر المبارزة. على البدء كان الملك قلقا من أن أبناء النبلاء غير أكفاء، لذلك أرسل أقوى فرسانه ليتحرى عنهم سررا. لكن بعد مراقبتهم واحدا تلو الآخر، أولئك النبلاء الشباب المتكبرون، لم يستطع أي منهم صمود لأكثر من 3 حركات. وأخيرا وصل الفارس إلى قصر ذلك الشاب. كان الجميع يتدربون على المبارزة بالسيوف، بينما كان هو وحده مسترخيا في حوض الاستحمام. فحكم الفارس عليه فورا بأنه شخص عديم الفائدة، ثم أخذ بسهولة قلادة الكريستال السحرية التي تركتها له والدته، معتقدا أنه سيعطيه درسا. لكن في اللحظة التالية
I didn't say you could go. Leave it or you die. Never thought you, a playboy, actually noticed me. Leave my crystal and you can go. This crystal's a total waste in your hands. So you choose to die. In all of Aurelian, no one dares to challenge me like this. Want the crystal? Take it yourself. Lock of heaven! You know magic? So, it was you! Leave the crystal, you live. Or you die here. Perfect. Let's see the power of 10 times magic!
Who did this to you?
Islith, go back to your chamber.
Yes, Father.
What happened?
Your Majesty, Aurelian's future is secure. Stop with the riddles, say it. It's Duke Valvin's son.
Roland Valvin?
No! It's Lucius Valvin, the waster from the brothel. I even boosted my magic 10-fold, and I still couldn't beat him.
That brat? 10-fold power? But you're the most powerful S-class mage in Aurelian.
Your Majesty, I don't know why he acts like a loser, but the fact is, he's a force to be reckoned with.
Aurelian is truly blessed. The little brat even fooled me. That old fox, Garrick, really raised a good boy.
But I can't figure out why he's hiding his power.
Doesn't matter. Pass it on. Every standout you assess tonight enters the magic arena. Both of Veilwing's sons are in.
All arise! Everyone, magic is the foundation of our kingdom. Today, all of Overian's finest stand gathered. This arena will decide a worthy husband for Princess Isleth.
Wake up and focus!
My lord, Lucian is always like this. Why make things hard for him?
Duke Valowen, why bring your second son along? He's competing too?
Everyone in the capital knows just a spoiled playboy. Will he surrender the moment he steps on the field?
Can I surrender?
Shut up! I used to be an A-class mage. How did I end up with trash like you?
My lord, don't be upset. At least we have Roland. Good day for Lucian to learn.
Yeah, learn from your brother.
Your Highness, look. Lucian Valeland's here too. Does he think he can marry the princess? In his dream?
Doesn't matter. He won't pass the first round.
A trash like him. Total disgrace to the Valwell name.
Bring your best to this arena. Show me the power of Alderian's future!
Why does this king look so familiar? Even from this far away, I can't quite make out his face.
I'll be the winner.
Isolad, these are the talents of Aurelian. Do any of them catch your eye?
Father, only the most powerful Magus can marry me. These spoiled noblemen shouldn't even be here.
Relax, there'll be someone for you.
First round begins! Cedric Ravenshard versus Lucian Valebin!
Well, luck's on my side. You can't stop it.
Garrick, tell your son to surrender now! If my son breaks him, don't say I didn't warn you!
Lucian, don't worry. I've arranged for the best healer for you.
Mother, you're too kind to me. It's fine, I'll just surrender if things get bad.
No surrender! We can't take this shame! Today, you fight to the death! Right here in the arena!
Loser! Get on your knees and give up now! Maybe I'll spare your pathetic life.
What are you waiting for? Get up there! Last a full 15 minutes!
Alright, then I'll just go up and have some fun.
Your Highness, look at him.
What's going on there?
Your Majesty, let's keep an eye on him a bit longer.
Such trash. Scared to even stand up, huh? The Prince Condent is just a title, no real power. If I reveal my power now, all my efforts are wasted.
Hey, trash! What are you looking at? Father! Get up! You damn brat!
Why isn't he from
Garrick, your son's running away. It looks so familiar.
Could it be?
Don't you dare! I surrender! Who's that? King of Aurelian. Why did you start the magic arena without us?
As expected, they're here.
Such an important event for the princess's choice of husband. How could we miss this? That would be so rude.
These northern barbarians think they can marry our princess? Not a chance! Get out of Avelion!
This husband selection arena doesn't say it's just for Aurarians. So why can't we compete? You scared or something?
King of Aurelian, if you're scared, just surrender the princess to us. We'll leave right away.
A measly little nation! How dare you be so defiant!
Watch your tongue!
Keep your dogs in check. If he draws on us, are you ready for a three-kingdom war?
You've waged war against Aurelian for years, slaughtering countless innocents! Fine! Then let's war!
Fine by me. Aurelian has rich lands. We'll split your kingdom between us.
I'd love to see you try. You against our alliance? You won't stand a chance.
They are allied, Your Majesty. They came for the arena as a cover. Their real plan is war. Lucian, can he handle them?
He should be able to, Your Majesty.
You came from afar! How could Aurelian refuse? Today, in this arena, we'll show you who's really in charge! Aurelian's trash! Who wants to die first? I'll teach you a lesson!
You're not his match.
Don't know. Barbarian scuts insulting Aurelian! Go to hell! Get him!
He can cast both fire and wind magic at the same time.
Of course. My son isn't like that Lucian. He's got real talent.
So this is the mage you brag about. All show and no harm.
What happened? He's unharmed.
Your Majesty, his magical armor not only deflects casts, but also absorbs magic.
My son! So is this all you got? You'd better surrender now. I'll go!
Tristan is a B-class mage. No one can resist his wind magic.
None of you can even fight! Who's next?
Sure enough, you mages in Aurelian were born to rot at my feet. A pack of failures.
Why isn't Luciano stepping up yet?
Today, whoever bests Prince Bjorn wins a king's ransom. 10,000 in gold, 1,000 bolts of the finest silk, 100 chests of rare treasure.
If even a B-class mage can't beat him, what's the point of us going up?
Even such reward can't get him to step up. What is he waiting for? Go.
It's the time to shine!
Roland Valen, ready to challenge!
So, you're the most powerful mage among them.
To insult Aurelian is to invite death! Useless cuss! Who's next to die?
These filthy barbarians! How dare they mock us on our own soil!
What exactly does he want?
Back when Lucian's mother was alive, Lucian was the capital's famous magical prodigy. But now, look at him. What a waste.
I see now, Your Majesty.
It isn't the gold he's after, it's true authority. True authority? Lucien lost his mother early. He's been hiding his power, waiting for a chance. The Prince Consort is just a hollow title. Only real power can free him from Morgana and reveal the truth about his mother.
Power, then. He should have just said so. Today's victor shall be named Grand Mage of the Kingdom, granted lands, a seat on the Royal Council, and command of Royal Guard and Mage Corps.
It's even more powerful than my father.
He's panicking. The King of Aurelian is rattled.
Offer all the rewards you want, they won't make it out alive. Not a soul in this arena is fit to shine Biarg's shoots.
Send them all! I'll gut every single one of them!
Your Majesty, do you stand by your word?
My word is law.
Well then. I guess it's my turn to play.
Click below to subscribe and watch the full version.